I hope you guys got to enjoy it.
Might seem like the same day. It is not the same day. We got a whole new day reset. It is a solo trip for the boss man. I'm making a solo trip out to Green Door Dispensary, one of our favorites. They are taking part in the city of Buckley with Buckley Days, and so they're expecting a heavy traffic flow today. So we're like, yeah, we'll pull up and make that money. Actually, the boss lady was like, no, we will not pull up because we don't make enough money when we go out to these spots. And she is correct. For a whole staff, we do not make enough money to go out for these. But I decided I will try to go out and do it all by myself. So one-man service today. We're doing a limited menu so that I can be speedy and efficient. It is, we're just going to offer 6 items today. It'll just be a one-man crew working the front of the house and cooking and hopefully making a couple of bucks today. We'll see. I could drown and be in the weeds for 4 hours straight, or I could be sitting on my ass and having fun. Either way, it's a beautiful day outside. I'm out in front of the home base here in Kent, Action Sports Bar Kent. We just celebrated our anniversary, 6 years. Yeah, we in the building. So when businesses are struggling, and both of them are, my main bars are both struggling, down sales. I have to rely on any other businesses I can or myself to kind of get a hustle and make up the difference. So I might not make much today, but $500 is better than no $100. $300 is better than $0. So I'm gonna get out there and try to make a couple of bucks. I'll probably make some decent contacts. I'll probably make a couple of bucks tips myself, which is helpful for me since I haven't taken a paycheck in the last couple of months. So I like making money too. I like cash too. So we out here in front of the main bar. We had our regulars in today coming through taking care of us. I had a bunch of ladies from church come in, which was dope. They saw us for our donated services, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit the road. I'm sweating like a monster out here. It is much hotter than anticipated. I got pants on and I'm very much regretting my choice, but too late to fix anything with that. I'm gonna slide by the Sumner store on the way, mostly because it is on the road, literally on the road out there. And I might steal a couple of bags of French fries from them since we were kind of low in Kent, and give my girl a hug and a smooch, and then I get out to Buckley and set up for Green Door. So y'all coming with me, another day in the life. Woo! It is hot. It is hot. All right, we out here. I'm on location. A lot to set up, one-man show, but we gonna do it. Y'all go ahead. I'm gonna just stick you on the wall, and y'all can just tune in and see what I got going on today. Don't know what kind of service it's gonna be. It's slow as hell out there right now, but maybe it'll pick up as it cools off a little bit in the evening. Either way, I'm here. I'm on site. I ain't got nothing to do. I already went into Green Door, and yeah, support small businesses. I had to go get me some on special today, so I get my mind right, get myself ready to rock and roll, and we'll see what the next 3-4 hours have for us. Boy. Hot as blazes. But here's the thing to remember. If you do not run your equipment every day, if you're out on your food truck and it's been a couple of weeks, just know it's going to take longer for all your shit to turn on. It just is going to. So don't stress out if it don't spark up right away. It's the trucks that run every day that don't have to worry about this stuff. But if you sit for a couple of weeks, make sure you give yourself a little time to get your all your equipment, your hot equipment to turn on. So especially fryers, stick with it. Just keep the pilot going. Stay on your safety. Keep the flame lit. Give yourself a minute. It'll catch eventually. So while the oil heats up, while all the meat gets up to temp, I got about 5 minutes. I'm gonna do my front of the house stuff. Just make sure all my equipment's good. Make sure my hot spots are good, and give everything a good wipe down, sanitize, and take a smoke break, and we'll be open. Let's get after it. chicken wings, smoked chicken. Smoked wings, smoked chicken. Don't you guys judge me with my broken tip knife, okay? I ride things till the wheels fall off. People who know me know. I will duct tape some shit together. Duct tape it together to make it work. Listen, I'm a frugal person. Frugal business owner too. Barely squeezing that sucker. You make it fit. Maybe fit. We switch boxes. We're trying out some new ones. See how they work. Chicken, mac and cheese. We out here, y'all. We in the foothills of the Cascades. We deep. We deep. Buckley is deep. If you've been to Seattle before, you have not been close to Buckley. You weren't close. You weren't nearly as close as you thought you were. A lot of American flags out here. A lot of American flags out here. My kid told me one time when he was in elementary school, he said four American flags equal a Confederate flag. That shit has cracked me up every day. Every time I see that since then. It is comedy. So, a lot of American flags out here. That's what I'm going to say. But that's cool because, you know, I get along with everybody. As long as we keep it off of politics, you know what I mean? So, slow right now. Nobody out here yet. But I'm having a good time. You know, I'm always happy to be out in the sunshine. It's Sunday, my day off, but you know, we can turn it into a work day. All right, well. Pretty slow. But like I said, it's gorgeous. I got good company because it's just me. I can't complain too much.
Right.
Good to see you.
So, Josh Heinrichs came to town recently.
Okay. Brisket fries. I have chicken fries. I got brisket mac. I have chicken mac. And I can do a Caesar with brisket or chicken on plain if you like to.
I'll do some brisket fries.
Brisket fries, absolutely. And then for any of the crew in there for $5, I'm doing cheese fries or chicken fries.
Okay, hell yeah. Okay, let them know, dude.
Yeah, absolutely. Brisket fries.
Exactly.
I actually love that part of it.
I know a live show right now, of course, all the festivities are on the other side of town. I'm like, come on. But we've been busy on our comedy one today.
Yep. Listen, every little bit counts, you know?
Yeah, right? Exactly.
That's what boss man. So we gotta make a little extra. That's it. So the staff version is gonna be half that with chicken.
Stuff. Hell yeah, dude.
But for $5, shit, give me the stick. Alright, well, you get the idea. We're close. Thanks, brother. You know what? We'll call it 5. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Thank you very much.
The crew out here, I got it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, brother. Our menu is easy. It's our menu board. I have a TV that does it. I put in another TV to try to do it. Trial and error. I like this better. Simple to read. People can read it while they're in line. See exactly what we got. We got photos if they want when they get closer. And then when we sell out of something, just peel it off the window. People be in line, you see me peel the brisket off, and they be sad. It's true, it's All right, last orders of the day. We're gonna make every buck we can get here. It's slow as hell, but hey, we're gonna make the people who show up happy as hell they stop. Cheesed up in there. Fat daddies. I said the people who ordered gonna be real happy. I didn't realize this is directly at my face. How about this? Action. Let's get it, y'all. I got you, man. I got you. All that for 10. That's how we hooking the staff up today. We want them to feel real good about themselves. Yes, please. Okay, brisket mac. Okay. So it's $10? Yeah. That's how it goes when I prep a bunch of food and I don't want to take a bunch home. You get them late portions, you're getting the ridiculous fatties. Doesn't make no sense. I'm just gonna dress this one for him. That for him. Bang.
Right on. Thank you.
One close, there we go. Right, thank you. Anybody else in there still need to eat? Oh, okay, I think I got like 2 minutes and I'm gonna close it up. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
I need some brisket mac and cheese if you can make it happen.
I can.
Hell yeah.
I can.
Well, I'm gonna kick myself in the ass if I don't do it. She's gonna hear it. She'll be like, what the fuck?
Yeah, what the hell? Where's my fucking food? That's hilarious. Well, you're a good hubby. Smart man.
Shit. Yeah, I'll let you know I'm gonna be doing like a bartender bonfire and a bunch of shit. So I'm gonna be throwing some events. We've got 5 stores involved, so hopefully, hopefully I'll have a big turnout.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Dude, I'll let you know if you guys aren't busy. I'll be hop over.
Yeah, let us know. So you get the invite back. So we're always trying to get that invite back. Okay, take one of these home too. 10 seconds in the microwave and you're gonna be a happy camper.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, seriously, dude, I appreciate you coming out.
Thanks, brother.
I appreciate
Thanks,
what you know.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, man. You too. Hey, you made it just in time. Done. Chunky monkeys. Out the dough, last one. Was that steaming? Willie beaming. Windows closed. Let's push. See how fast I can close this bitch down. Solo dolo. Okay, really, I'm not gonna speed. But I did make it to 8, just for the record. take it. I take it. I think I got a little bit more at the end too. Feel like I got one more. I'm like, oh yeah, I got one more too. So hey, you know, I take. Every sale, every tip. I take them. I'll get a final count on what we did today. That's heavy. All right, all packed up and ready to go. Everything's strapped in. Yes. Got the music on. Not inside, but that's fine. Everything's turned off. Oil's out. Gas is off. Oh, I forgot the light. Window light. I'll get that at the bar. But yeah, good event. Final walk around the truck. Make sure I didn't forget nothing underneath. Gas is off. Nothing's hanging out loose. But I think we're good. All right. Thanks, Rain Door.